be like these guys hiked out to a surface flow. Quite incredible, but I bet they would agree this is hands down better viewing.
Oh yeah.
It's a bubbling rock country.
There goes the bottom. Of magma to lava, first time it's seen air, because this stuff is so fluid, flowing like it is the first time that it's ever seen air. But they believe that this is migrated right up under our summit, almost erupting there, before it comes down that fault line at the 2,400 foot elevation and comes out underneath that crust. My understanding is coming from at least the upper part of the mantle. It gets a little speculative of where it comes from then. There, I've heard reports of a lot of different things. Volcano pretty much single-handedly has showed us how our world was put together. It has firm roots in what we know about geology today.